Have you ever wondered how some YouTube channels manage to generate thousands of dollars and millions of views with just a handful of videos? The secret lies in a game-changing content strategy powered by a revolutionary AI tool developed by NID. This tool, much like ChatGPT, but designed specifically for video editing, enables users to create captivating videos in under 10 minutes. It handles everything, from scripting and voiceovers to editing and music selection, with just one click. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact strategy to leverage this tool for creating viral content effortlessly. Learn how you can use this powerful AI to replicate this success on your own YouTube channel. I personally tested this method on a new channel, and the results were nothing short of incredible. However, before diving in, it's crucial to determine the niche for your channel. With endless possibilities available, selecting the right niche sets the foundation for success. In essence, this AI-driven tool revolutionizes content creation, making it accessible to anyone aspiring to make an impact in the digital realm. Once you've decided on a niche, you need to come up with some video ideas. To do this, we're going to come to ChatGPT. I'm going to show you 2 prompts that you can use to come up with unlimited video ideas for whatever niche that you're in. The first one goes like this. Please suggest 20 creative video ideas within the blank niche that can be produced using stock footage available online. For the sake of this example, I'll plug in history to see what it comes up with. So, a pretty solid list here. I'm looking for interesting ideas that will captivate our target audience and really hold their attention. To me, this Lost Cities title already seems like a viral topic, and I easily could have seen that on the page that I showed you at the beginning. Highlight the ones that you like and paste them into a Google Doc. The second prompt that you should use is, give me 10 viral video ideas that I can create in the history niche. This has given us a few good ones too. I like this top 10 list idea because lists are a great way to hold people's attention. People are naturally curious to get to the number 1 most shocking historical discovery. So if you start your list at number 10, then people are likely going to stick around to see what number 1 is. Once we've compiled a solid list, we need to select one of the videos to run with. I'll choose this one about learning the entire history of the ancient pyramids in 10 minutes because I'm pretty sure I slept through those classes in high school. Like I mentioned at the beginning, we're going to be using an AI tool to create all of our content. But before we do, we should understand why this account is going so viral. They have a narrator speaking over relevant stock footage with some occasional captions on the screen. They have over 2.5 million views from just 5 videos. If that's not some inspiration for what's possible, then I don't know what is. They post long historical videos that most of us might find quite boring. According to Social Blade, they make up to $6,000 per month. But I would be willing to bet that it's actually far more than that because these videos are hours long, meaning they're collecting far more money through mid-roll ads. As you can see, they started this channel just a few months ago, which again gives you a sense of what's possible if you take action today. One of the things that I think they do really well are their thumbnails. A thumbnail is basically a flyer for your video, and I think that theirs probably really help drive in the clicks. To make a cool thumbnail, let's just come to Midjourney. We're going to type in /imagine a YouTube thumbnail that shows the ancient pyramids in the middle of a modern desert oasis. D. R1 1280 x 720. You want to make sure to include the aspect ratio so it comes out to the right size for a YouTube thumbnail. These look really nice, so I feel confident that we're going to at least get some clicks on our video. Now that we have a title and a thumbnail, it's time to create the main act. And prepare to have your mind blown because you're about to realize how easy and incredible this is. It's time to actually show you this mind-blowing tool, which is basically the ChatGPT for video editing. What I want you to do is come on over to NVIDIA AI. Maybe you've heard of NVIDIA before, but their new AI tool that they have is so wild. I'll drop the link in the description so you don't get confused with their main site and you can try it for free. Once we're in, we're going to see this page that asks us to give us a prompt where we insert the detailed instructions for our video. This is the secret sauce prompt that we're going to use to create a viral video. Feel free to screenshot this if you want, but I also have a link below where you just insert your email and I'll send it over to you so you can copy and paste it if that's easier. So here's what mine will say once I plug in my terms. Let's create a captivating 10-minute YouTube video delving into the history of the ancient pyramids. Our focus will be on weaving engaging storytelling with informative key points. We aim to evoke a mysterious yet educational vibe to intrigue viewers and deepen their understanding of the pyramids. For the narration, we'll opt for a male British accent, delivering dynamic pacing and employing a simple, easy-to-understand style of speech. To enrich the visual experience, we'll incorporate ample stock footage, immersing the audience in the enigmatic world of the pyramids. Enhancing the atmosphere further, we'll accompany the visuals with ominous music, adding depth to the narrative. With these elements combined, we can swiftly produce a polished 10-minute video, eliminating the need for extensive script writing, video editing, or sourcing background music and voiceovers. Witness the seamless result as we bring this intriguing historical tale to life in mere seconds. These colossal structures standing tall and proud against the backdrop of the vast desert. Like I said before, this is basically the ChatGPT of video editing. And if I had access to this in high school, I would have probably aced every presentation. The voice makes it feel like we're in a National Geographic show, and the background footage is super relevant to what I'm talking about. That example channel that I showed you at the beginning said that they took months to edit their videos, but we just made ours in seconds. And let's just say that we don't like one of the scenes in the video. You see this magic box below the video? Well, we can just tell it what we want changed. And let's actually challenge their eye a little bit here. Why don't we tell it to change this scene to a drone shot with pyramids in the desert? And let's see what it can do. See what I'm telling you? Normally, we would need to go in and script all this out, hunt down our own footage, and edit it all together. But InVideo takes care of all of it. Now, hold on. We're not done yet. Let's say that you weren't super happy with the script, specifically the hook, especially since that's one of the most important parts of our video and where a lot of viewers will decide whether or not they're going to stick around and watch or not. Well, we can just click Edit Script, and now the entire AI-generated script props up for us to make changes. So let's say I want to change the opening sentence to something more intriguing that sounds like this. Wow, I'm honestly so impressed, and this feels way more engaging than my 6th grade history teacher, Mrs. Albertson. You can also change the entire mood of the video in 10 seconds. Let's say that you want to make this more upbeat and fun instead of ominous and interesting. Just click Create New in the upper right. Now click this button and enter the time, so 10 minutes. Then add your info and the style of the video you want. So I'm going to tell it to be funny and to use a Southern American accent. Let's see what it comes up with. Geez, I'm honestly scared watching this because this is going to end up replacing a lot of informational YouTube channels. So once you're happy, just click Export and remove the watermarks so that the video is nice and clean. Now, we just need to upload it to YouTube and add the title and the thumbnail that we created earlier. In less than 10 minutes, we can create videos like this and post as often as you want. For anyone who's been considering getting onto YouTube, now you really have no excuse not to give it a shot. The barrier of entry has become so easy that even the laziest people on earth could do it. And to take things a step further, I decided to put this strategy to the test myself, launching a brand new channel in a more profitable niche than history. I leveraged an AI-generated content style for my first video, which surprisingly garnered 12,000 views without any elaborate editing or personal voiceover. This truly highlights the incredible potential of applying the right strategies for YouTube growth. If you're eager to uncover the secrets behind my success, make sure you're subscribed. I'll be revealing all the essential details later this month. I'm thankful for your support, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to YouTube AI for more valuable content. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to help you grow your YouTube channel effectively and efficiently. Your path to success begins here.